Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot, about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. And y'all know how I do around here. We're not going to waste any time. We got some good stuff going on. So let's jump right into it. We got to get started with the money maker. And I love this deal that we have on the Halo top this week because it is a money maker. So with this deal, you have to get the new mix-ins variety. So this is a new type of Halo top that they have. It's called mix-ins. Make sure that you grab these. These are buy one, get one for $5.99. So one will be just $2.99. I live in half BOGO, which is a state other than Florida, so I can pick up just one. I decided to grab the chocolate chip cookie dough, and I'm going to try this tonight. So we have an offer giving us back the full cost for one of these. That'll already make it free 99. But we also have a fetch offer for $1.20 back. So after fetch, these will be $1.20 moneymaker. Now, if you live in Florida, this might be a better deal for you because the sale should pay for one of these, and then your offer to get one free should pay for the other one, making two of them completely free. And then you also get back $2.40 from fetch on two. So that should be two of them completely free plus a $2.40 moneymaker for my Florida folks. So that's a stock up deal. We have an easy freebie on the Everyman Jack deodorant this week. So these are $6.99, buy one, get one. Now, if you live in half BOGO, you can pick up just one of these for $3.50. So you pick up the one for $3.50, and then in your Publix app, we have a $2.50 digital coupon. So at the register, you're going to pay out $1, but then you'll get back $1 from Ibotta with this rebate right here, making it free $3.99. And if you live in Florida and you need to pick up two of these, you would pick up two for $6.99. Use that $2.50 digital coupon at the register. You would pay out $4.50, but then you would get back $2 from Ibotta. It would make these $1.49 each. Now, my husband told me not to buy him any more of the Everyman Jack deodorant. He said it had him smelling crazy. So I'm going to get him one of these beard butters instead because he needs that. So I'll pay a little bit more. This is $10.99, so it'll be $5.49 minus that $2.50 digital at the register. I'll pay out $3 and then get back one from Ibotta, making this $2. If you are interested in plant-based products and still have your 10 off of 30 Conagra coupon, we have a really good deal on them this week. So I'm going to try out these Gardein products. I've never tried them before, so I'm not sure how they are, but I am curious, and I usually like plant-based products, so I'm going to see what they taste like for this price, because today we're going to get $30 worth for just $5. So I am on an old system store, so I can use the pre-BOGO price to get to that $30 mark for my coupon. So what I did is picked up $30 worth. I have two products that are $4.99, and then I also have two products that are $5.49, and then I also picked up a big product that is $9.99. So now I am over $30 pre-BOGO. That's $30.95. We're only going to pay half of that. So I'll be at $15.47 after the sale. Minus that $10 coupon, it'll be $5.47 for all of these items. It makes them like $1.10 a piece, which is not bad at all. And if your Publix has already updated their systems, meaning when you go up to the register, it looks like this when you check out on the screen, you need to use the price after the BOGO sale. So this would only be $15 worth. You would have to buy double this amount in order to use that 10 off of 30 coupon. Now let's grab two of these drink mixes. These are over here next to like the Crystal Light and the Stir and things like that. So these are the Ocean Spray versions of these. I've been wanting to try these and waiting for a deal. Right now they're on sale 2 for $6. I'm guessing that's good as it's going to get before this digital coupon expires. So I'm going to go ahead and grab two of these at 2 for $6. But we do have this buy one get one free digital coupon that'll make them just $1.50 each. Y'all know I love a moneymaker, and we have a nice moneymaker on the Buitoni pasta. These are buy one get one for $2.79. Now we do have a $2 printable coupon if you have already printed this, because every time this goes BOGO, they pull this $2 coupon off of the site. But if you've already printed it, or you can get it from a ferry, this will give you $4 in savings when you pick up two. That'll make final cost on these completely free, plus a $1.21 profit. So we'll get $1.21 cents in overage since we got $4 in coupons, and these two will only be $2.79. Next item I'm grabbing is the Galbani ricotta cheese. It's kind of in the wrong spot, but it's buy one get one for $4.09, and then we have a $1 off printable coupon from their website. It'll make final cost on this like $1.05 for one, which is a great price. The item I'm grabbing is the Pillsbury biscuits. I'm gonna get the 5 count that are buy one get one for $3.29. We do have this $1 off of 2 digital coupon right here that'll make them $1.15 each. And then you want to check your fetch account to see what you have. I have quite a few offers for Pillsbury products. I have buy 4 get $1 back. I have buy 3 get 50 cents back. So I'm going to do a couple different transactions so that I can use different digital coupons to create a really good deal on these. So just a deal idea, if you do need Pillsbury products, you can work something out using that digital and fetch. We have double savings on the Colombe cold brew. So these are buy one get one for $5.99. I'm going to pick up 2 because we have this $1 off of 2 digital coupons. So at the register, we're going to pay $4.99 for 2, but then we're also going to get 50 cents back on each one on iBuy. So that'll make a final cost $3.99 for 2 of them, or $1.99 each. The Suja immunity shots are buy one get one for $3.19. So you can pick up 2 of them, and then we do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that'll bring your price to pay to $2.69 for 2. But then check and see if you have this aisle offer for buy one get one, because if that covers the price of 1, if you're in Florida, 2 of them should be completely free. Now in half BOGO, if it covers the price of 1, that means I'm going to end up paying $1.10 for both, or 55 cents each. I already submitted back for this offer. It did tell me that the money was on the way, but it didn't tell me how much money was on the way. Either way, it's going to be a good deal, but I'm in half BOGO. I did pick up 2, so definitely submit back and see what you get. So I wanted to show you guys one of my transactions that worked out really well. I got over $60 worth of groceries for really low out of pocket. So I picked up all of the Gardein items. I got the ocean spray, and those ocean spray are actually really good. I'm drinking one now. I got the Halo Top, I got the Buitoni pasta, the ricotta, and I got the Suja. All of my digital coupons came off at the register, and I used the 3 printable coupons for the Buitoni and the Galbani. I paid out $14.77, and I saved over $50 in store, so $51.78 in savings in store. But then we also got $2.99 coming back for the Halo Top, $1.20 coming back for the Halo Top, and $1.59 at minimum coming back for the Suja. It makes everything I got in this transaction just $8.99. We got a great deal on Jell-O this week, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up $10 worth because we're going to be using this 3 off of 10 digital coupon that we have for Jell-O products. We're going to grab the ones that are $1.99. So I'm going to need to pick up 6 of them on an old system store. So we are picking up 6 of these. That's going to be $11.94 before the BOGO price. We're only going to pay half of that, so it'll be $5.97 after the sale. Minus that 3 off of 10 digital coupon, it'll be $2.97 for all 6 of them, or just 49 cents each. We got some good coffee deals this week. You can get these big bags. These are the 16.5 or 18 ounce bags of Dunkin' coffee for buy one get one for $14.99, meaning they'll be $7.50 each. You can pick up 2 of them, and then you'll get $2 back on each one on Ibotta. That'll make final cost on these big bags just $5.49 each. If you are a fan of Maxwell House, you can grab this instead. You can get these, or you can get the K-Cups. Those are also buy one get one. These are $8.19, so they're the best deal for me in order to use our 5 off of 20 digital coupon on craft products. So in an old system store, we want to pick up 3 of these to get to the $20 mark because we use that pre-BOGO price. So it'll be $24.57. We would only pay half of that, so $12.28. Minus that $5 coupon, it would be $7.28 for all 3. When we divide that up, these will be $2.42 a piece. The 12 packs of fruit by the foot are on sale for buy one, get one for $7.99. If you live in a state other than Florida, you could pick up just one for $3.99. And then we have this dollar off digital coupon that'll make it $2.99. Then you want to submit over to Ibotta. We have two different offers. We have a dollar back, and then I also have this 5-cent any fruit snack rebate as well. So that's going to make final cost on this box just $1.99 for the 12 pack. We have two separate deals for the Canada Dry products in the fruit splash variety only, so you have to grab the fruit splash. These are on sale in my store for buy one get one this week, so that means they'll be $4.24 each. But we do have $1.50 back on Ibotta on this mini size that'll make this case just $2.74. And then also check to see if you have a bonus offer for $1 back when you buy two, or if you want to get the big 12 packs, you can pick up 4 of these because these are buy two get two free this week. So 4 of them would total you up to $20, but you would get back $1.50 for all 4, so $6 back for this. And then if you get that $1 bonus as well, that'll make it $12.98 for 4 of the cases. That makes it $3.24 per case on a 12 pack, which is not bad at all. Y'all, I don't think I've ever seen a buy one get one sale on Premier Protein at Publix. If you drink this every day, I use it as my coffee creamer. This is a good price to get stocked up if this is your brand of choice. If you sign up on the Nora website, you can get a $1.50 printable coupon on 2 products. That'll make 2 bags of these Nora products that are buy one get one completely free $99 this week. I don't really care for these, so I did not print those coupons this week, but this is a good freebie to know about. Some of the cleaning products are getting marked down on clearance as well. This is a good price on this Easy Off cleaner and degreaser. I think I'm going to go on ahead and grab one of these. The price of these oral care items is really dropping at my store. This one right here, the Pro 500, is down to $17.83. That's not a bad price at all. And then we also have the Water Pick that's on clearance as well for $21.99. That is a great price for a Water Pick. Check your clearance section because my store has a lot of the Arm & Hammer Deep Clean on clearance for half price. So this will be $4.15. The Ibotta rebate that we have doesn't apply to this size, but we do have a $1 digital coupon that'll make this $3.15. And if your store does not have the Deep Clean on clearance, you could also get a great deal on the big containers. So 106 load, 140 load containers are on sale for $14.78. So that means one of these will be $7.39. And then we do have a $1 digital coupon that'll make this huge container of laundry detergent just $6.39. Yummy boneless wings, along with the other yummy products. You can get the Dino, they have like nuggets and things like that, are on sale for buy one get one for $8.49. I'm going to pick up just one because we do have a $2.50 digital coupon. So after that coupon, this is going to be just $1.74. If you live in Florida and need to pick up 2, your final cost would be $2.49 per box. My favorite at-home pizza is on sale for buy one get one. It's the Home Run In. I always love to grab these when they are buy one get one. So if you have not tried these are a good time to pick them up. The Maury's fish fillets are on sale buy one get one for $10.89. On their website, you can get a $3 off of 2 printable coupon that'll make your final cost on these just $3.95 per box. One deal I forgot to film is on the Lesser Evil Puffs. So these are the kids version. These are buy one get one for $3.79, and we do have 50-cent rebates on Ibotta. So you can pick up 2 and get $1 back on Ibotta on these. It'll make them just $1.39 per bag. Next, we're gonna grab a today only deal, meaning today Wednesday, because these Febreze coupons that we're gonna use expire today. So I'm gonna do this buy 3 get $3 off on Febreze. The first item I already have in my hand is this Febreze Unstoppable Spray. These are $4.99 at my store, and we have a $2 digital coupon. And then I'm going to grab 2 of the sprays as well. These are $3.69 a piece, and you want to scan because some of these varieties, like that kitchen odor, is not included. So scan to make sure that the one that you pick up is attaching to the coupon. So let's work out the math on this little Febreze deal that we got. So we have 2 of the Febreze sprays for $3.69 each, and then 1 of the Unstoppables for $4.99. Before the sale, it's going to be $12.37. Minus the $3 sale price will be at $9.37. And then we have 2 different digital coupons. We have the $2 off for the spray, and then we also have the $3.30 off too for the 2 air fresheners. So that's going to make final cost $4.07 for all 3. When we divide that up, it's going to be $1.35 a piece. All right, y'all. So that's it for the Publix deals for this week. I hope you found something helpful for this video. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.